Hey there, if you have this beautiful Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and after unboxing you're ready to Bluetooth pair and connect it for the first time with any Samsung, including this S24 Ultra or Plus, we are here to show you the complete setup process. To pair it with your Samsung phone, make sure the buds are inside the case. All you have to do, my friend, just open the lid of the charging case. You will get this pairing or setup pop-up. From here, you can connect the buds to your Samsung phone. And as prompted, just press and hold the button at the bottom of this charging case for 3 seconds until multiple colors flashing LED shows up. And that means your Buds 3 Pro is on pairing mode. After it's paired, it'll automatically connect to the Wearable app if you have it installed on your phone. Otherwise, it'll automatically download the Wearable app. And all you have to do is just keep following the prompts one after another and set up your buds with the Wearable app. Just in case you didn't get the pop-up whatsoever, all you have to do is just go straight to the Bluetooth section on your Samsung phone and then just press and hold this button at the bottom for 3 seconds. Your bud's name will pop up in this Bluetooth device. Just tap on it, confirm the pairing process, and the rest of the process will be exactly the same as we have shown you. Now from this Bluetooth section, if you go to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro settings, first of all in here, you can slightly customize some settings. And if you keep scrolling down, you can redirect yourself to the Galaxy Wearable app and further customize a lot of other options according to your own preference, choice, and taste. So that's it. Enjoy your time with your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Thanks for watching.